Now what happens when you have a customer do a change order? Right now we have a pegboard toy with a square peg and a round peg, but what if they wanted to have a triangle peg? Well, the good thing about this program is we use parametric modeling, which means that we can change things and not have to redo the assembly or the working drawings as we go. We just have to reprint them because it'll automatically do it for us. So the only thing we have to do, if we're going to put a triangle in here, we have to change the pegboard base and we have to create the triangle. So what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to do a new standard IPT and we'll make the triangle. And the triangle, when we do our 2D sketch, we just want to make it a 1-inch equilateral triangle. So you can draw it with the lines, or you can, the easiest way is go into rectangle, go to polygon. We're going to type in 3 sides, but don't hit done yet. We're just going to come down here and we're going to draw a triangle. Now that gives us a triangle that's equilateral, and all we have to do is measure it. So then if we go to dimension, click on a side, drag it down, that's going to be 1 inch. From there, we just have to finish the sketch, and the triangle is going to be extruded to 3 inches. And again, you can save this or change this color if you want to, and then save it as triangle or triangle peg. Okay, so there's our peg, and then in order to change the base of it, we have to add it, make it a little bit bigger, and get the triangle put in it. I'm going to open that. So I'm going to go to open, and we're going to go to the pegboard base. So I've got my desktop, and we want pegboard. So this will come up, and we want to change this. So the first change we want to make is we want to make it 2 inches bigger. So in order to do that, I drew this drawing here. I drew the side view, and then I extruded it out to 3 inches. So if I go over here on the plus sign, there's my sketch, and I want to change that 5.75. So I'm going to double click on sketch, and I usually click the icon right there. And all I have to do is come in here, double click on the dimension, and type in 7.75. Now when I hit finish sketch, it'll automatically change for me. And the only thing I need to do now is create the circle on here. So if I go back and I create a sketch on that surface, now I can zoom in and I can go again to the polygon. We're going to do 3 sides, and we're going to draw a triangle. There. And we're going to measure that to 1 inch. Then we have to center that. So we're going to dimension from top line to the center point. And since ours is 1.5 inches or 3 inches wide, we're going to type in 1.5. And that'll get us to the center. And then from the left side to the center point, it's going to be 3 7/8. 3.875. And now we have our circle centered, or sorry, our triangle centered. I'm going to finish the sketch, extrude it, click on the triangle, go to cut, and change the distance to all. Now, we have that saved, we have the triangle in there. When we hit save on this, it'll save it to that file as pegboard. And we go back into our K, or our assembly, you'll see that our drawing has changed. It's got longer. And what you really need to do is just move it, and then it'll move it back into the spot that you want. Okay, so that's parametric modeling. Now it's changed. All the drawings associated with the pegboard have changed. We're going to place the triangle in here. So you're going to go back and find the triangle peg. We're going to click on here, right click, cancel, and then we're going to constrain, and we're going to make 2 of the sides with the insides here. So there's 1, apply, and I'm going to cancel so I can drag that out of there. And then when I constrain, I'm going to constrain this one. Then make sure you get the correct side that corresponds to, and apply that. And now you have your 3 pegs in your pegboard, and you've made a change on your drawing. So then you just save this one also.